Welcome to the rich history of Igbo land, a region steeped in tradition and culture. Today we embark on a journey to explore the legendary story of Eri, the revered founder of Igbo land. Eri's tale is not just a story, it is a tapestry woven with the threads of ancient customs, spiritual beliefs, and the indomitable spirit of the Igbo people. As we delve into this fascinating narrative, we will uncover the origins of a civilization that has thrived for centuries, its traditions passed down through generations. Join us as we traverse the lush landscapes, vibrant villages, and sacred sites that hold the secrets of Eri's legacy. This is more than history, it is the heartbeat of a people. According to oral tradition, Eri's story is one of great significance and mystery. Eri was a revered prince from the ancient city of Aguleri, located in what is now known as Anambra State in southeastern Nigeria. This city, rich in history and culture, was a hub of early civilization in the region. It is believed that Eri, along with his followers, embarked on a significant migration journey from the Nile Valley around 1000 AD. This migration was not just a physical journey but also a cultural and spiritual one, as they carried with them traditions, beliefs and practices that would shape the future of their new homeland. The Nile Valley, known for its ancient civilizations, provided a rich backdrop for Eri's origins, influencing the development of the communities he established in Aguleri. Eri led his people on a long journey, settling eventually in the fertile lands of Igbo Ukwu. This marked the beginning of Igbo civilization. Eri established the Igbo kingdom, introducing agriculture, artisanship and governance. He built the sacred temple of Idi and instituted the Ozuzu ritual. Eri's legacy endures, shaping Igbo identity and culture. His story inspires pride and unity among the Igbo people. Eri's founding of Igbo land is not just a tale of the past, but a living narrative that continues to shape the identity and culture of the Igbo people today. This founding is a testament to the rich history, deep-rooted traditions, and the enduring spirit of resilience that defines the Igbo community. From the vibrant festivals that celebrate their heritage to the traditional attire that speaks volumes of their cultural pride, the Igbo people have preserved their legacy through generations. The story of Eri is more than just a historical account. It is a source of inspiration that continues to motivate and guide the Igbo people. His legacy is celebrated in statues, monuments, and through the art of storytelling that has been passed down through the ages. Join us next time as we delve deeper into Igbo's fascinating history, uncovering more stories that have shaped this diverse and vibrant nation. From ancient civilizations to modern-day achievements, there is so much more to explore and learn.